Hi there, I'm excited to talk to you today about the TAE40116 Certificate IV in Training and Assessment offered by Holo Education. If you're passionate about helping others learn and develop new skills, then this qualification is perfect for you. With the TAE40116 Certificate IV in Training and Assessment, you'll gain the skills and knowledge necessary to become a competent trainer and assessor in the vocational education and training sector. You'll learn how to design and develop engaging training programs, deliver effective training sessions, and assess competency accurately. Plus, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the importance of identifying and addressing language, literacy, and numeracy needs in your learners. So, if you're ready to take your passion for teaching and learning to the next level, consider the TAE40116 Certificate IV in Training and Assessment offered by Holo Education. Our experienced trainers will guide you every step of the way. Contact us today to learn more.